Got it? Come on. Up. Up. Yeah. Getting old. What? Okay, what are we doing? Taking those tires to get balanced. Better put my seatbelt on for all the seatbelt police. Welcome back, guys. Oh, my camera's gonna fall down. That's not a good place for my camera. Is that gonna work? This isn't gonna work. All right. Well, today we are on our way to a local tire shop to get the front tires on my C10 balanced. The last time that I had it out, I had a little bit of a vibration, and it was just in the steering wheel. Like, it'd sit here and do this going down the road. And I just had a tire replaced, and I think they balanced the one, and the other one, they probably balanced the one so good that it made the other one out of balance, if that makes any sense. So I'm just taking them both, get them both checked. You're probably wondering why I'm not taking the rear tires too, but that's because to get the rear tires off, I have to either take the bed off or disassemble the suspension, like take the airbags and the shocks off and drop the axle all the way down and out and lift the truck super high. So I didn't feel like doing that today, and I don't really think the vibration is in the rear. But that being said, the reason I'm doing all this is because Dino's GITDOWN. It's next weekend. If you guys haven't heard of Dino's GITDOWN, then you don't know Chevy trucks. If you're into Chevy trucks, then you know who Dino is, and you've heard of the GITDOWN. Basically, it's a Chevy truck only show. At least in the past it was. And this year he's doing Friday and Saturday. So Friday's the trucks and Saturday's anything Chevy, which is kind of cool that it's gotten so big that he's expanded it to 2 days. Because this show started out as just him and a few of his buddies hanging out at his house on Friday night, and then Saturday morning they would all cruise to the Good Guys show in Scottsdale. And it just turned into more and more people came over Friday night, and they cruised to Good Guys Saturday morning, to where it became like an actual sanctioned like show and cruise to Good Guys. But lately it's gotten so big that I mean, he had to move it out of his shop. It was just at his shop in the parking lot, and he moved it to the Westgate Shopping Center, which is like basically the parking lot for the Cardinals stadium. So it's just huge. And even with everything that's going on right now, he was approved to have it. You know, everybody's got to wear masks and stuff. So if you do come this year, make sure you bring a mask. We don't want it to get shut down, because there's been other events locally that have been shut down because people weren't wearing masks. So, but yeah, that's what we're getting all this ready for. We're getting the C10 all cleaned up and ready to go to Dino's GITDOWN, and it should be a fun time. So hopefully, if you're out there, try and find me. First, I need to get some coffee. That didn't sound good. I gotta get some coffee, and I need some breakfast. But mostly coffee. I need coffee. I'm usually a make it at home type of guy. I don't really like all these coffee stands, Starbucks, Dutch Bros, all that stuff. It's just too sweet. But I'm out of coffee and everything at home, so gotta do what I gotta do. Yeah, I don't think so. Never mind. Not going to McDonald's today. Let's see, what else is there? You're busy, huh, Rox? You don't care. There's not a single person at Burger King. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I don't know if I've ever had Burger King breakfast.
May I help you?
I'll do the number one with a coffee.
Okay, number one with the coffee, what size?
Do medium. Yeah, just with creamer.
It was a medium coffee, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how many creams?
I don't know, 4.
4 creams, okay.
That's it.
Okay, go to 240.
Oh, thought I forgot my wallet there for a second. You ever have that panic attack? Oh, this is a tight drive-through, not for long bed trucks. Roxy, get in your seat. Stay. Oh, thanks. Okay. Park over here in the shade. Try out this Burger King coffee. Yeah, so I could use a little bit more creamer. Don't get me wrong, I can drink black coffee all day long. It's not that. It's just I'd rather not drink hot bean water. I like a little bit of consistency to it, you know. But I guess it's better than nothing. It's not that great. Oh, when I told her I wanted some creamer and sugar in it, they put it in a bag. I've got to put it in myself. No wonder why it tasted so weird. I was like, damn, this thing's still strong. Talk about service, right? Oh, man, I tell you. Burger King's little tater tots are pretty good, though. Pretty good. Burger King. Your breakfast is no sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle. Sorry. This video's just turned into a vlog of me getting breakfast. Stay. 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 Scoot over. I think Santa's had too many cocktails. Just got off the live stream with all you guys, and that was cool. I was always kind of nervous to do a live stream, and it turned out pretty good. I had a fun time with it. Got to, talk with a bunch of you guys, and kind of more of a one-on-one experience, and kind of get to know you guys a little bit more. But as I was saying in the live feed, I'm on my way back to the tire place now to get the tires, grab some spray paint and stuff. So go get the tires, come back here, get them thrown on. We'll go for a test drive, and if the vibration isn't gone, then there's no point in doing anything else, because got to get that vibration taken care of first. If it's fixed, we'll go ahead and start cleaning it up, just kind of getting it a little bit ready to take to the get down. So we'll be back. right, let's see. Start. Gosh, started. Battery gets a little weak when it sits. All right. See if this vibration's fixed. Like the tires are scrubbing, like a toe or something might be off. I'll see. I really need to redo the exhaust on this truck too. I have it just dumping like on turn downs behind the cab in front of the axle. When you're sitting at a stoplight like this, it gets pretty stinky in here. I kind of want to go to something a little bit quieter too. I think in my old age, the old glass packs are a little annoying. I don't think the stoplight's ever going to change. Oh, here we go. It's getting windy. Looks like there's going to be a dust storm. Still a little bit of a vibration, I think, already. And now we'll see. We'll get up on the... Man, it is windy. Dust everywhere. It is really windy, so I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but just got it up to about 60, 70 miles per hour. That's when the vibration was the worst, and it seems to be good, so that's good. I'm pretty happy with that. As you can see, the steering wheel's not shaking right now, so I'm just gonna get off the freeway now because there's tons of traffic for some reason, and with the wind and trying to film and stuff, it's just not safe, so I'm getting off. Mustang's getting rowdy. Check out this place. Whoa, calm down. The windshield's filthy, by the way. Like it's fixing the storm out here. Let's see, clouds behind me. Not looking too good. So probably gonna cut this video short. I was gonna wash the truck, but it doesn't make any sense to right now because it's just gonna blow dust and everything back on it. So probably gonna cut this video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Not a whole lot got done in it, but we did, however, get the vibration fixed in the C10, so that's cool. I'll just have to try and clean it up one of these nights after work, get it ready for the get down. But hopefully I see some of you guys out there. Like I said, if you see me at the get down, come over, say hey, what's up, you know, don't be shy. I may look intimidating and I'm kind of shy myself, but just come up, say hi, introduce yourself or whatever. But But yeah, gonna get the C10 up and going for the get down. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.